Leafcutter ants are among the most fascinating creatures in the natural world, renowned for their ability to practice a form of agriculture that rivals human farming in complexity and cooperation. These ants, found primarily in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, cultivate fungus as their primary food source, a behavior that has evolved over millions of years. The process begins with worker ants venturing out in organized foraging lines to cut leaves and other plant material using their sharp mandibles. They do not consume the leaves directly; instead, they carry these fragments back to their underground nests, often traversing vast distances. The sheer strength and coordination of these ants are remarkable, as they can carry leaf pieces many times their own body weight, working tirelessly to transport them to the colony. Once the leaf fragments reach the nest, they are carefully processed by smaller worker ants, who chew the plant material into a pulpy, mulch-like substance. This mulch serves as a substrate for cultivating a specialized fungus, which the ants rely on for sustenance. The ants deposit the chewed leaves into their fungal gardens, where the fungus grows by breaking down the organic material. The relationship between the ants and the fungus is mutualistic, meaning both species benefit from their interaction. The ants provide the fungus with a constant supply of nutrients in the form of fresh plant matter, while the fungus produces nutrient-rich structures called gongelidia, which serve as the ants' primary food source. This food is essential for the survival of the colony, as it provides the necessary energy to sustain the massive workforce and support the queen's reproductive efforts. The leafcutter ant colonies are incredibly complex and can house millions of individuals, each with a specific role in maintaining the fungal farm. Worker ants are divided into different castes based on size, with larger workers responsible for cutting and transporting leaves, while smaller workers care for the fungus and defend it from threats. This division of labor ensures the colony operates efficiently and that the fungus thrives. The nests themselves are elaborate, consisting of extensive underground chambers and tunnels specifically designed to house the fungal gardens and provide optimal conditions for growth. The ants meticulously maintain these gardens, removing any waste or contaminants that could threaten the health of the fungus. A major challenge faced by leafcutter ants is the risk of fungal infections caused by competing fungi or pathogens, such as the parasitic fungus Scavopsis, which can devastate their carefully cultivated crops. To combat this, the ants have evolved a unique symbiotic relationship with certain types of bacteria that grow on their bodies. These bacteria produce antimicrobial compounds that help suppress the growth of harmful fungi, acting as a natural pesticide. This sophisticated defense mechanism highlights the ants' remarkable evolutionary adaptations and their ability to manage their fungal farms with precision. The combination of agriculture, waste management, and pest control demonstrates a level of organization rarely seen in the animal kingdom. The farming of fungus by leafcutter ants is a stunning example of mutualism and evolutionary innovation. Over millions of years, the ants and their cultivated fungus have co-evolved, becoming completely interdependent. The ants rely on the fungus as their sole food source, while the fungus depends entirely on the ants for propagation and care. Without one, the other would not survive, showcasing a delicate balance that has stood the test of time. This behavior is also a testament to the complexity of social insect societies, as the ants demonstrate advanced problem-solving, resource management, and teamwork to sustain their colonies. Leafcutter ants are not just remarkable for their strength and industriousness but for their role as nature's tiny farmers, providing a glimpse into how cooperation and innovation can thrive in the natural world. Thank you for watching. We have some amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button.